Hello, my name is Nicolas Alec and I'm the Project Manager for testing in SAP Cloud ALM. In this video, you will learn how to get an overview of your manual test cases in the Test Execution app, how to execute a manual test run, how to manage the lifecycle of a test run, and how to set the activity statuses and analyze the test progress. To get started, open the Overview app. Then click on the Test Execution card. Here you can see all the test cases and their execution status. Now I will filter by manual test cases. There are several manual test cases that are ready to be executed. One of them has currently a failed status. You can start a new run by choosing Execute. On this screen, you can find all the steps of a test run. Each step has a title, instructions, and expected results. Some steps also have an application link for direct navigation to the target application. I will set the status to Pass. You can also see that this application supports screenshots so that the tester can easily verify if the application behaves as expected. For this action, I will select a different status. As soon as you select a status which is not Pass, you are required to provide an explanation. When you save a test run, you can see that the overall status changes to Failed. The different statuses that you can see here represent the different personas who should be processing the test run. When it is an application issue, it should be a developer who is going to investigate this issue and fix it. If it's test case correctness, it is the test case owner who should adjust the test case. And when it's retest required, the tester should now reevaluate if the fix provided by the developer is indeed working. I will now select retest required and enter the comment. Now, I can set the status to Pass. You can also set several statuses in one click. Confirm that you want to set them all to Pass. I will now save the test run. You will notice that although everything has been set to Pass, the overall status of a test case is still in progress. Indeed, this is not the final status. If you want to make the overall status final, you need to close the test run. As soon as you choose Close Test Run, the test run will be closed, and you cannot change the execution status anymore. I can now see that my test case has the overall status Passed. If you click this row, you can see the execution history of the test run. The log indicates that the test run is closed, and you can see the reason why the test run was not working. When you go back to the overview page, you can see that the numbers of the test execution status have changed. I will now go into the Advanced Analytics. I can see here the test execution progress over time. I can choose different job types. I can filter on test case type, manual or automated, and I can filter on the execution status. I will now clear these filters. I can also select a different time frame. and I can also select a different granularity. I also have several options to share this page, either via email or by printing it. Thank you very much for watching this video. You know now how to execute manual test cases in SAP Cloud ALM. I recommend that you next watch the video How to integrate the test automation tool for SAP S/4HANA Cloud.